One of the most innovative and efficient ways to plant up your containers is lasagna style planting. That's where we layer the bulbs up so you can fit more in, but also have a longer flowering period from a wider range of varieties. First of all, take a container that has drainage in the base. If there isn't drainage, then make sure you add a layer of gravel at the bottom. Use a good quality compost and one that has good moisture retentive properties and nutrients already built in. When planting your bulbs, you always plant bulbs 3 times their own depth. So in the case of these, the biggest bulbs are going to go at the bottom of the container. Plant the bulbs firmly with the roots at the bottom and the shoots at the top. As you plant the bulbs, give them a firm press to make sure there aren't any soft parts or rotting. Place the bulbs on top of the soil facing upwards. Once you've finished your first layer of bulbs, you're ready for layer 2. By using the lasagna style in your bulb planting, you can not only fit more bulbs into one smaller container, but you can also have bulbs over a longer period of time, so you're extending the season of interest. You're ready for your second layer of bulbs, so again, plant those with the roots downwards and the shoots at the top. So as we plant up, we're doing smaller bulbs further up, so again, 3 times their own depth, so 1, 2, 3. That's the third layer. Now we're going to fill with more compost and then put our final layer in the top, which is the smallest bulbs of all. Again, planted with the shoot upwards and the roots at the bottom. But with the smaller bulbs, it doesn't matter too much if you get them the wrong way up, because they'll still find their way to the surface with their shoots. I'm going to finish off my lasagna style container with some plants on the top. This is going to give interest for an even longer period. I'm going to plant the primroses just around the edge of the container and then finish off the center with some lovely heather. The bulbs will easily grow through the container and just poke their heads between the primroses and the heather on the top. So the end result will be an incredibly full container with colour for a much longer period than any container you've planted up before. And that's how to create a lasagna style container. Hopefully we've inspired you to try this yourself at home.